Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our chapter number 6, that is the triangle and its property. So we are starting from our introduction. We are starting from our introduction. So there are basically four terms that are involved in our introduction. So first term is your altitude, altitude or height. Suppose we have a right angle triangle. Suppose this is our right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is the triangle having one angle is equals to 90 degree. Suppose this triangle name is A, B and C. So this portion is called as perpendicular and the bottom portion is called as base and this portion is called as hypotenuse. So altitude or height is basically the perpendicular. So if I say what is altitude or height of this diagram, so perpendicular here is AC, so altitude or height or perpendicular is AC for this diagram. Second term we use is midpoint. The center point of a line segment is called as midpoint. Suppose there is a line segment that is AB, then the center point is called as your midpoint. So for the midpoint, the left hand side of this center point is equals to right hand side of this center point. It means the value of this AM is equals to the value of this MB. So the portion to the left of this M, that is AM, and the portion to the right of this M, that is MB, both are equal. So our third term is median. Now we know that what is midpoint. The line segment AB, suppose this is line segment AB, this is your midpoint. The line starting from the midpoint and joining to the other side of the triangle. Suppose this is the line starting from this midpoint M and joining to the other side D. So this line segment is called as median and this M is called as midpoint. And the fourth term uses interior and exterior. Interior and exterior. So the terms which are involved inside the triangle, so that are called to be interior. Suppose there are three angles, that is X, Y, Z, then all the three angles are interior. जो एंगल अंदर हो गए, that is X, Y, Z, that type of angles are your interior. But for the exterior, which are outside the triangle, exterior means outside the triangle. Suppose this is your triangle, so these are the angle, that is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. So here the angle A, angle B and angle C are called as exterior angle, but here the angle X, Y and Z are called to be interior angles. So next is our question number 1. In triangle PQR, so in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint. D is midpoint. It means left hand side of D is equals to right hand side of D. It means QD is equals to DR. So what is PM? Any line forming 90-degree angle, that line is called to be altitude. So first term पढ़ी सी आपने कि जो line 90 degree एंगल बनानी है, that is called to be altitude. And what is PD? D is your midpoint. Question which given है, D is midpoint. The line starting from the midpoint is called as, उस line ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ क्या कहते ਸੀਗੇ? Median. That line is called as, so PD is median. So is QM is equals to MR? क्या इस QM the value is MR the value the equal है? So that is no, because M is not a median. M is not a median, so left hand side of M is not equals to right hand side, but D is median. So QD is equals to DR is possible, but QM is equals to MR is not possible. So the next question is draw the rough sketches for the following. That is in a triangle ABC, BE is a median. So we have draw a triangle that is ABC triangle. So we will draw ABC. So where BE is the median. So median is the line which is starting from the midpoint. It means E is the midpoint and BE is the median. So this is the rough diagram. Second is in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitude. It means PQ and PR forming angle 90° with the triangle. So this is your PQ and this is your PR. Both are forming 90° angle. So this is the rough sketch for this triangle PQR. Next is in XYZ triangle, YL is an altitude. It means it makes angle 90°, but in the exterior of the triangle. So triangle de bahar 90° angle bana raha hai. Suppose we have a triangle that is XYZ. This is your XYZ triangle, but we have to form altitude. So this is your altitude which is outside the triangle. So exterior of the triangle. So this is your last diagram.